Well, the five-time deported illegal immigrant just acquitted in the shooting death of Kate Steinle is now facing new federal charges. Kelly Wright joining us now live with the new indictment just handed down by the Justice Department. Good morning, Kelly.
Heather, good morning to you as well. Following the acquittal of Jose Garcia Zarate in the killing of Kate Steinle, criticism of the verdict erupted. President Trump even speaking out against it, and Attorney General Jeff Sessions vowing to get the Justice Department involved. So on Tuesday, just days after Zarate was acquitted of murder and manslaughter charges in the sanctuary city of San Francisco, a federal grand jury indicted Zarate on two new charges. Attorney General Sessions last week blamed San Francisco sanctuary city status for Steinle's death, saying the city allowed a man who had been deported 5 times back on the streets. Brian Stretch, U.S. Attorney of Northern California, San Francisco, clarified the charges in a statement stating this: a federal grand jury indicted Jose Inez Garcia Zarate today for being a felon in possession of a firearm and ammunition, and for being an illegally present alien in possession of a firearm and ammunition. Now, San Francisco's district attorney is now speaking out about the case after the verdict. He says his thoughts have always been on the Steinle family, but he adds that he stands for the city's sanctuary policy and claims the case has been used by politicians for political gain.
The jury did their work, and we respect their work. We may disagree, but we respect their work. And I think it's important for the President of the United States to remember that this is a nation of laws. And part of being a nation of laws is that we respect the legal process, even when the outcome is one that we may be unhappy with.
Here's something we should point out as well. During the trial, Garcia Zarate's immigration history of being deported 5 times was never allowed in that trial. And as for the new charges he's now facing, if found guilty, he could be sentenced to 10 years in prison. Heather?
All right, Kelly Wright joining us live. Thank you, Kelly, for the update. Sure.